A Cook County judge who allowed a law clerk to wear her robe and hear traffic court cases in 2016 has been forced into retirement by a state oversight commission that found the judge was mentally unable to perform her duties. The Illinois Courts Commission noted that Valerie E. Turner, first elected to the bench in 2002, suffers from Alzheimer's disease. The commission said it was sympathetic to Turner's mental health issues, adding that its decision was not meant to punish her. However, we cannot ignore that the complaint at issue in this matter was initiated based on Turner's actions in allowing a person who was not elected or sworn in as a judge to preside over formal matters which could only be resolved by a judicial officer, the commission wrote. Turner, 60, could not be reached for comment Monday. Her lawyer, Gino DeVito, declined to comment. The commission's decision, which was handed down Friday, appears to mark the end of Turner's once promising legal career, which began with law school at the University of Chicago, and with positions at the well-known Kirkland & Ellis law firm and the U.S. Attorney's Office under the state's constitution. The commission's decision cannot be appealed and is final. The Courts Commission ruling is another twist in an already tortuous legal path that has embarrassed one of the nation's largest court systems. And the matter still is not fully resolved. A separate criminal case against Rhonda Crawford, the law clerk who put on Turner's robe and presided over traffic court cases, is ongoing. Crawford has pleaded not guilty to 1 count of official misconduct, a felony, and 1 count of false impersonation, a misdemeanor. The Judicial Inquiry Board, which investigates judges, a year ago charged that Turner was mentally unable to do her job. The board, however, made no allegation that Turner engaged in misconduct when she allowed Crawford to put on her robe and hear 3 traffic cases in the South Suburban Markham Courthouse. At that time, Crawford had won the Democratic primary for the 1st Judicial Subcircuit and was unopposed in the general election. The Judicial Inquiry Board investigates and prosecutes allegations of misconduct or incapacity against judges. The board files formal complaints with the Courts Commission, which is made up of 5 judges and 2 members of the public. The commission can reprimand, censure, suspend with or without pay, remove from office, or as in the case of Turner, retire a judge. DeVito, Turner's lawyer, at the time was critical of the board's decision to pursue the matter with the Courts Commission, saying it set a terrible precedent for any judge who, like Ms. Turner, has an illness she did not cause and cannot control. Turner told the Courts Commission that there was no need to take action because she stopped her judicial duties and swore never to return to the bench. The commission, however, said that Turner chose to pursue temporary disability benefits that keep her in the position as a judge. She has not resigned or retired by accepting permanent disability benefits.